Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily edit your logo in the Weebly editor. Whether you want to upload a new logo or make some changes to the one you already have, it's all super simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on a mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, you will be on your dashboard where all your websites will be listed. For that, click on the hamburger option on the top left and click on website and edit site. From there, click on the edit option. Now that you are in the editor, you will need to find the section where your logo is located. Typically, the logo is located in the header of your website, so hover about the header and click on the logo. From there, if you zoom in, you can see an option saying edit. Simply click on it. Here you can get different options such as crop, filter, adjust, text as well as focus. Now choose the one that you need to adjust accordingly. And once you are done with adjusting the logo, click on the option saying save. And that's it. You've successfully edited your logo in Weebly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.